Yun ang achievement ko. I was a leader at a very young age. Discipline. I made sure that my siblings studied very hard.
Kaiser, naging one way of saving money po. Nagkaroon pa ka ng opportunity na mapatubo yung pera ko after a few years.
Tulong yung Kaiser sa akin kasi ito yung may insurance, investment na rin siya, saka healthcare.
So, ina-advise ko yung mga kabataan, hanggat bata kayo, kumuha kayo ng Kaiser.
Pag nawalan ng trabaho, may backup plan ka. May Kaiser na tutulong sa'yo. Thank you po, Kaiser.
Salamat, Kaiser.
Salamat, Kaiser. Salamat sa inyo, ha?